Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of linear equations. As I've said before, these kind of questions test your ability from English language to equations. How do you convert English language to equations? And a lot of real world problems actually are very similar in nature here. Okay, so it will be a good idea to practice a lot of these questions. And we've done many of these before as well. I'll strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous videos in the playlist. Now, let's say there is a larger number. Okay, the question says 3 times the larger of the two numbers is divided by the smaller number. We get 4 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. So let's say the larger number is x and the smaller number is y. Now condition 1, okay, condition 1. Condition 1 says if 3 times the larger of the two numbers, larger number is x, so 3 times of x is divided by the smaller number, which is y. We get 4 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. Uh, this will give you 4 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. What this effectively means is that 3x is equal to 4y plus 3. Okay, this is our condition 1. Now look at the condition 2. Okay, condition 2. Condition 2 says if 7 times the smaller number, which is y, is divided by the larger number, we get 5 as the quotient and 1 as the remainder. So this is equal to 5x plus 1. Okay. Now, if I bring x and y on the same side, what I get here is 3x minus 4y is equal to 3. And if I bring x and y on the same side here, what I get is 5x minus 7y is equal to uh, minus of 1. Now, to solve for this question, what I have to do is I have to multiply this with 5 and I have to multiply this with 3. So what will happen is this will become 15x minus 21y is equal to minus of 3, and this one after multiplying with 5 will become 15 of x minus 20 of y is equal to 15. Okay. Now if I subtract, which is I subtract this one, so this becomes minus, this becomes plus, and this becomes a minus. So what I get is minus of y, this will get cancelled. I get minus of y is equal to minus of 18, or we get y is equal to 18. And if y is equal to 18, and we put this in the first equation, that is 3 times of x is equal to 4 times of y, which is 18 plus 3, we have 18 for the 72 and 3, 75. 3x is equal to 75, and this means x is equal to 25. So these are the two numbers, that the larger number is 25 and the smaller number is 18. And this, my friends, is the solution to the question. I hope you found this video useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe, and if you have any more further queries, do shoot your questions to me via WhatsApp. The number is mentioned in the description below. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.